In question number 7, it is given a chord of a circle of radius 12 centimeter. So, radius is 12 centimeter and subtend an angle of 120 at the center. Okay, so I will make big circle. This angle is 120. So find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. That means we should find this area. So what we will do, we will find area of sector, means this complete area, minus area of triangle. So for area of sector, theta is given. R is 12 centimeter and theta is 120 degree. So area of sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Pi we should take 3.14, it is given in the question. So 120 by 360 into 3.14, r means 12 into 12. So this will go 3 4s are 12. So 3.14 into, first we will multiply this with 4. Okay, so 4 4s are 12.56 into 12. Now we can multiply with 12 easily. So answer will be 67, 30, so 150.72 centimeter square. Okay, now find the area of triangle. To find the area of triangle, see, suppose here this triangle is given. This is 120, 12, 12. So what we will do, we will draw one perpendicular here. So we know perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord, means these two sides will be equal. Okay, so we can prove the congruency of these two triangles. So suppose this one is A, B, C and D. Okay, so right here draw AD. This is a part of this circle. Okay, this triangle I had drawn here. AD perpendicular to BC. Okay, so therefore BD is equal to DC. Why? Perpendicular bisects the chord. This we learned in class 9. Then in triangle ABD and triangle ACD, what we can write? AB and AC are equal. Region will be radius of the same circle. Then AD common. Then BD and DC. Therefore, triangle ABD is congruent to triangle ADC. Okay, ACD we can write by SSS rule. This we can write from 1. So if these two triangles are congruent, so other corresponding parts will be equal. So what we can write? Angle BAD is equal to angle DAC by CPCT. Okay, so by CPCT means if this angle is what? 120. If both are equal means what we can write? Both are 60 degree. So therefore BAD equal to DAC is equal to 60 degree, because this angle is given as 120 degree. Okay, so this is 60, this is 90, so this angle must be 30. So we got here 30, 60, 90 triangle. So what we will write here to find, what we should find? Area of this triangle. Okay, so base into half base into height formula we can use. So we should find DC. So what we will write? Cos 30 is DC by AC. Okay, DC is not given, AC is 12 and cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. So DC will be See, 12 root 3 by 2 means 6 root 3 centimeter. This is DC. So okay, so if DC is 6 root 3, what will be BD? BD will be same, isn't it? Because from 1 BD and DC are equal, so BD will be 6 root 3. So what we can write, therefore BC is BD plus DC, that is 6 root 3 plus 6 root 3, that is 12 root 3. Okay, so BC is what? BC is base of the triangle. Now height we should find. Okay, so height also we can find by using the same formula. Cos 60 is AD by AC, but cos 60 is half. AD we should find, AC is 12, so AD we will get 6 centimeter. Okay, so this is base and this one is height. So now area of the triangle ABC, therefore area of triangle ABC is equal to half base into height, that is 12 root 3 into 6. So 36 root 3 is the answer. Now root 3 value is already given in the question, so we will write 36 into 1.73. Okay, so suppose from 36 we can multiply this. So we will get 8, 2 and 6. 62.28 we will get here. So centimeter square. So now area of segment will be what? Area of segment will be area of circle, area of sector minus area of triangle. Okay, so area of sector is what? This we got earlier, 150.72 minus 62.28. So we will get 4. This will give 4. This will be 8. 88.44 centimeter square. Question number 8. A horse is tied to a peg at one corner of a square. Okay, here horse is tied and a square shaped grass field of side 15. This side is given 15 meter. And this horse is tied by a long rope of 5 meter. Okay, so here horse is there. Suppose this is horse. Okay, so we should find the area of the part of the field in which horse can graze. So this is 5 meter long rope. Okay, so he can go this side and this side, means this sector area he can graze. Okay, so square, that means angle is 90, and rope length is 5 meter, that means radius will be 5 meter we can take. So R we can take here 5 meter and theta is 90. So this area of grazing we should find, that means area of this sector. So we will write for the first part, area of the field horse can graze, theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, theta is 90, 360, and pi we should use 3.14 into r square, so that is 5 into 5. So this will go. Now 4, from 4 we can cancel. 4 7s are 28, 3 will remain. 4 8s are 32, 2 will remain. 4 5s are. So now 0.785 and 5 into 25. So from 25 we can multiply this. 25 5s are 125, 25 8s are 200, 12 will come. 25 7s are 175. So 175 plus 21 will be 691, and after 3-digit decimal, so 19.625 meter square is the area of the part which the horse can graze. Okay, now second question is, second part, if increasing the grazing area, if the rope were 10-meter long instead of 5-meter, means this rope is 10-meter now. Okay, so now this area we should find, complete area. Increasing the area means this area we should find. So first we will find area of big sector, then we will subtract this smaller sector area to find this increasing area. Okay, so area of the sector, or we can write big sector, that is theta by 360. Now in this case r is 10 pi r square, and theta will be same 90. 360 into 3.14, r is 10 into 10. So this will go 9 4s. This we divided here, we got 0.785 into 100. So if we remove this 0 here, this decimal will shift to the right. So 78.5 meter square is the area of big sector. Okay, now for the second part, increase in the area. So therefore increase in the grazing area will be this one, 78.5 minus 19.625. Okay, so what we will get here, 5 we will get, 7 we will get, 8, then this will be 8 and 5, 58.875 meter square. In question number 9, a brooch is made up of silver wire that is given, okay, in the form of circle with diameter 35 millimeter. This diameter is 35 millimeter. Diameter is 35 millimeter. Wire, this wire, same length wire is used to make diameter 5 such diameters. Okay, so 5 diameters are made, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5th one. So now which divide a circle into 10 equal sectors. These 10 sectors are equal. So we have to find the total length of the silver wire. So we have to check silver wire where it is used. So here to complete this circle, that is we can find by using circumference formula. And then 5 diameters. So one length of diameter is 35. So for 5 diameters, 35 into 5. So r we will write 35 by 2 millimeter. Okay, so circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Okay, 22 by 7 into 35 by 2. So 7 5s, then 2 11s. So this will give 10 into 11, that is 110 millimeter. Okay, now total or first length of 5 diameters. Length of 5 diameters will be, length of one diameter is 35 millimeter. So for 5 diameter we should multiply. So 175 millimeter. Okay, so for the first part, answer is total length of the silver wire. Total length of silver wire is 1110 millimeter plus 175 millimeter. Okay, so that will give 285 millimeter. This is the answer for the first part. Now the second part is area of each sector of the brooch. So see this one, area of each sector. So by two method we can find. Since we know r is 35 by 2, okay, so we can find this angle, and by using sector area formula we can find, or else since we know this is 10th part of the complete circle, isn't it? Okay, this complete circle is divided into 10th part. So 1 by 10 of area of complete circle, that also we can find. And if you want to find the angle, so this 360 angle, this complete angle is what, 360. This angle is divided into 10 part. So for one part, what will be the angle? 36 degree. So this one angle will be 36 degree. This radius is 35 by 2. So you can find by using area of sector. Now I am finding by 1 by 10th part of the circle. So second is area of sector is 1 by 10th part of the area of circle. Okay, so 1 by 10 into pi r square. So 1 by 10, 22 by 7, 35 by 2, 35 by 2. So 7 5s will go, then 5 2s will go, 2 11s. So this 11 5s are 55, we can write. 11 3s are 33 and 5 38 divided by 4. So answer is 385 divided by 4 millimeter square. In question number 10, it is given that an umbrella has 8 ribs, okay, which are equally spaced. So this space is equal in this umbrella. Assuming umbrella to be a flat circle of radius 45. This radius is 45. So find the area between the two consecutive ribs. So these two ribs are there, okay, consecutive. So this area between them means this sector area we should find here. So what we can do here? Since, see, this one is 8 equal parts, okay, the complete circle is divided into 8 equal parts. So we can find using sector area formula also, and complete 1 by 8 part of complete circle, that also we can do. So area between two ribs consecutive, okay, is equal to 1 by 8 of pi r square. So 1 by 8 into 22 by 7 into r is 45. So this will go, so 11 into square of 45 means 2025 divided by 28, that will give so 11 5s are 55, okay, then 11 2s are 22 and 5 27. So 27 we should write here. 11 2s are 22 divided by 28 is the answer, centimeter square. Or by after finding this angle also we can find area of sector, okay. How we can find this area? This complete angle is 360 and this is 8th part, so 360 by 8 will be your theta. So if you find by using formula of area of sector where r is 45 and theta is this, then also you will get the same answer. Question number 11, a car has two wipers, okay, suppose this is the front of car and they do not overlap each other, okay. So see, this wiper will go like this wiper will go like this. So they have blade of length 25 centimeter. So this blade is 25 centimeter. So area covered by this wiper will be this much, okay. Means not full, because sweeping through an angle of 115 degree. So maybe this much area they can cover, okay, 115. So it will sweep like this, isn't it? So this sector area plus this sector area, so both area will be same. So if we find for one sector area, we can double it to get the total area. So to find for the one single area, we need r and theta, which are already given in the question. So we will write r is 25 centimeter, theta is 115 centimeter. So therefore area swept by one wiper, okay, is given by theta by 360 into pi r square. So 115 360. Pi we can use 22 by 7. R is 25 25. So now here this one is the area. We can divide this one by 180. Then 5, from 5 we can cancel. Okay, 5 3s are 15, 5 6 are 30, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15. So now this we can write as it is 23 into 11 into 25 into 25 divided by 36 into 7. So from 11 we can multiply this. Okay, then from 25 we can multiply this. We can multiply from 7. 252 will come. So now this 25 253 we can multiply with 25. So it will give 63 into 25. Okay, divide by 252. Again from 25 we can multiply this. So we will get 125, 50 and 62, 81. 150 and 8 means 158 divided by 252. Okay, so 252. So now we can find area of area swept by 2 wipers, isn't it? So for that we should multiply this area with 2. So here we will write area, this is in centimeter square. So now therefore total area swept by 2 wipers will be 2 times 158,125 divided by 252. So from 2 we can divide this, that is centimeter square. So this is the total area. In question number 12, it is given to warn ships for underwater rocks. A lighthouse spreads a red colored light over a sector of angle 80. See, we know, suppose a mountain is there and one signal is kept. Okay, so red light will cover this sector. Okay, this sector suppose it is covering. So this angle is given 80 and this is given that 16.5 kilometer. Okay, so find the area of the sea over which ships are warned. Okay, so this area we should find. So for that R is given 16.5, that is sector area only. 16.5 kilometer, theta is 80. So area for area of the sea, we can write area of the sea over which ships are warned. That is sector area only, which is given by this formula. Theta by 360 into pi r square. So theta is given 80. Pi we should use 3.14. It is given in the question. This we can use 16.5. So this 0 will go. 2 4s are. Okay, 2 18s are 36. Then this will go with again 2. So 1.57 will come. Then we can divide this by 3. So 3 5s are 3 5s are. This also we can divide by 3. So now the answer will be, see here 4 is there, 1.57. Here 55 is square, that is 3025 after 2-digit decimal. Okay, So we can multiply this. .28 and 30.25 we can multiply. So 8 5s are 40, 20 will come, 24, then 10, 5, 0 and then 6, then 30 will come, 15, 18. So final answer will be 0079918. Okay, so after how many digit decimal is there? 4. So 189.97 kilometer square is the area of the sector.